Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Spider game on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Spider game on your iPhone is easy. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are done, open up your App Store. In the search box, search for Spider game and perform your search. Click on this first application that you see on the display. The Spider game is a type of a patience game and is one of the most popular two-deck solitaire games. To get the application downloaded, tap on the Get button and confirm your identity and wait for the app to begin the installation process. After you wait for a couple of minutes, you'll be able to download the application right away on your iPhone. Soon after the application is downloaded and is ready for use, tap on the Open button and launch Open Spider game or the Spider Solitaire game on your iOS device. Allow the necessary permission and go through the instructions in order to start playing the game. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.